Chickens are truly remarkable animals, able to transform feed ingredients like corn, soybean, and wheat bran, foods that humans can't easily digest, into highly nutritious, bioavailable proteins, such as eggs. The protein found in eggs is particularly valuable due to its high biological value, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids in the right proportions for human nutrition. Modern chickens have evolved from red jungle fowl. Chickens have been domesticated for both their meat and eggs for thousands of years, traditionally kept in backyard flocks or on homesteads. However, commercial chicken farming began to emerge in the early 1900s. As farming practices evolved, chickens were selectively bred for specific traits, such as high egg production and fast growth. This led to the development of two main categories of chickens: layers, bred for optimal egg production, and broilers, bred for meat production. These specialized breeds became the foundation of modern poultry farming, and the creation of controlled environments such as climate-controlled farms enabled farmers to optimize conditions for both egg-laying and meat production. Today, the United States ranks second globally in egg production, producing approximately 108 billion eggs annually. China leads with an impressive 466 billion eggs produced each year. In the U.S., there are about 308 million layered chickens, each of which produces around 300 eggs per year. The formation of a chicken egg involves several stages and takes around 25 to 26 hours, a little more than a day. Ovary. The yolk develops in the ovary over about 10 days. Ovulation occurs and yolk detaches from ovaries and falls into infundibulum. Infundibulum, approximately 15 to 30 minutes. Magnum, about 2 to 3 hours. Isthmus, about 1 to 2 hours. Uterus, shell gland. The longest stage, where the egg spends around 20 to 21 hours forming the shell and gaining pigment. Just before an egg is laid, the hen releases a waxy substance called bloom or cuticle, which acts as a natural lubricant, helping the egg pass smoothly through the cloaca. This bloom forms a protective seal around the egg, preventing harmful bacteria from entering and helping preserve the egg's freshness. Egg safety and handling. In the U.S., food safety regulations require eggs to be washed after they are laid. This is due to the fact that the hen's cloaca, the passage through which both eggs and waste material pass, is the same, which means eggs can sometimes come into contact with fecal matter or other contaminants. Washing the eggs removes any such contaminants, but it also removes the natural protective bloom. Unfortunately, this leaves the eggs more vulnerable to bacterial contamination, particularly from salmonella. To mitigate the risk, eggs in the U.S. are typically refrigerated. Keeping eggs cool slows the growth of bacteria and helps maintain their freshness. When stored at a temperature below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius, eggs can last for 3 to 5 weeks in the refrigerator, sometimes even longer, without spoiling. Wait, but why are eggs often stored on store counters in many other countries without refrigeration? In countries where eggs are not washed, such as much of Europe, the natural bloom remains intact, providing that initial barrier against bacteria. In these regions, additional safety measures like vaccinating hens against salmonella are employed. As a result, eggs in these countries are not typically refrigerated, since the risks of bacterial contamination are lower due to the vaccine and the preserved protective coating. Is one method better than the other? There isn't a one-size-fits-all answer to which method is better. Both the U.S. system of washing and refrigerating eggs and the European model of non-washed eggs with vaccination programs are effective at ensuring egg safety. The key is that each country has tailored its food safety practices to suit its specific needs, whether that's through rigorous cleaning and refrigeration or through vaccination, and preserving the egg's natural bloom. Please like and subscribe for interesting facts about chickens and eggs.